Today we are doing a video comparison on KAKOBUY and CNFANS. So KAKOBUY is on the left window and CNFANS is on the right. So KAKOBUY and CNFANS are two popular shopping agents for buying from Taobao and Weijian, but they each have their strengths and weaknesses. CNFANS is known for its lower service fees, making it a great option for budget-conscious buyers. However, its shipping can be slower and customer service isn't always responsive. On the other hand, KAKOBUY offers more reliable shipping methods, a smoother user experience, and better customer support, though it comes with higher fees. If you're looking for the cheapest option, CNFANS might be the way to go. But if you want faster delivery and better service, KAKOBUY is the better choice. Ultimately, it depends on whether you prioritize cost savings or convenience. So basically, that's it. That's KAKOBUY and CNFANS.